Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in a tutorial how to create an event on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. That's fine. Now, there are two different ways we can create events on Microsoft Outlook. Let's now go to the left hand side navigation menu where we see new email. Hover over this to create an event. Click on this and that will then open up a new window on screen. Let's just cancel that for the moment, or we can go to the right hand side of the screen where we have the calendar. Click on the plus sign to create a brand new event. Maximize the screen to open the event in full. So now let's just call it a meeting. We can add the required recipients in there. Let's just send this to the main Computer Science Videos account called Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. That's fine. This is a Teams meeting. Got it. That's online. This will be tomorrow. At 3 o'clock for 1 hour. Does not repeat. Teams meeting. We can add some additional information if we wish to, but that's fine. We can either save this as a draft or send. Let's just click on send. As you can tell by that vibration, the email was sent to my account. Let's go to send. Click on this. As you can see, this is a full Teams meeting that can be accepted by the recipient if they wish to, and then you can take it from there. If we also go to the calendar, we should have that Teams meeting now embedded into tomorrow's schedule. So we can now go back to our inbox, quit Outlook. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.